kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk math minutes. This is where we will attempt to do a math concept in 5 minutes or less. And today, boys and girls, we will actually discover the concept of estimates. Let's do estimations. Now, when we do estimates, it means that we just sort of make a guess. We think about what might be in there, and then we make a guess. So it may not be the exact number that's in there, but it should be very, very, very close if we guess it correctly. Sometimes we don't always guess it right, and that's okay too, because we're just making an estimate. So, boys and girls, I have some things here that we're going to make estimates about today, and I need your help, okay? Will you help me? Thank you so very much. Now, I have some cute little teacher hats. Look at these. Aren't they the coolest? They're in a bag. Now, I'm going to go to a party, so I need about 50 of the hats, okay? So, I don't want to go through and count all of the hats, though. I just want to take this bag. So, can you help me see if there's about 50 in this bag? Now, I'll show you the way I do it, because with an estimate, you don't count everything in the bag, right? So, I'm just going to count a few of them. I see that there might be 2, 4, 5. There might be 5 right about here. And about how many of these little sections would I have? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe 6. And so I would think, 6 5 times would be about 30. That would be my estimate. But guess what, boys and girls? There's actually 48 in here. So my estimate would be under what's actually in here, but the number that's in here is not enough for my party. So I've got to go find some more teacher hats, right? That's right. And I have some beads in here. I want to make a beautiful necklace. So if I look at this, I'm going to estimate there's only about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to say there's about 25 beads in here if I estimated. What do you say? You don't think it's 25 beads in here? Well, guess what, boys and girls? If I count the exact number of beads in here, it would be 30. Yeah, but that estimating it doesn't look like there's very many, does it? Wow, so sometimes estimating really, really helps, but sometimes we're just not so sure. Well, what about these chains? Because I told you I'm making some beads. I'm making necklaces. So these are the chains for my necklaces. About how many do you think are in here? Are you estimating? I estimate there might be, if there's about 30 in here, I'm going to estimate there's about, 20 maybe? You can, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, well, actually, there's 30 in here. Our estimations aren't so correct, are they? All right, what about, how can you estimate the candy? Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3 right there, and maybe there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe there's about 4 3s in here, so my estimate would be that it's about 12 pieces of candy in here. Now, let me see if it's correct. There's 12 pieces of candy in here, boys and girls. This estimation thing is pretty cool. I like that. Sometimes we get it right. Sometimes we don't. And that's okay because we're just estimating. How many do you think are probably on these stickers? There's probably, let's see, there's about 6 there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I would say that there's probably about, I'm going to say probably about 70 stickers on here, just in counting my little few there. There's actually 90 on here. Oh my goodness. But boys and girls, I want you to do this at home, okay? Get you some cups or some jars, or you can get some plates, whatever you like to at home. Have your parents put different items in there, and I want you to estimate how many are in there, and let your parents tell you if you are very, very close or not so close. And that would just be fun to guess how many. Put some jelly beans in a jar. That would be fun. So I want you to estimate and see how you can do it. What's your best technique of estimating? Now, there's a lot of pebbles in here, boys and girls, and I'm going to estimate that there's probably, wow, thousands in here. Yeah, You want me to find out how many are in here? Well, I'll do it, but I'll let you know next time. Maybe not next time, okay? But if you would do me a favor and go ahead and do some estimation around your house with your parents, and then some pictures to me at WKNO teacher@gmail.com. And I also want you to go to our resource page at pbslearningmedia.org, and there's videos on estimates, on numbers, all of that kind of fun stuff, okay? And I would also like you to know that it's the International Paper Foundation that makes our math minutes happen. They're so wonderful, right? That's right. So I'm going to go try to count how many little stones are inside of this container, because there's lots. And until next time, Teacher says bye-bye.